Hey guys, let me show you this product that I recently got. It is a Rayban Meta product. It's called Headliner. So you can see there's a charging port over here. So you will wonder why there's a charging port and a reset button on the back of it. And let me explain you why. So when I open this, you will see a green light popping up here. So as you can understand, this whole case is a charger, works as a charger, right? For what? For these glasses that we got inside. So these are Ray-Ban Meta glasses. These are new, not very much new, but these are new in the market. I'll just show you it now. So looking at the glasses, they look something like this. As you can see, these are like, it looks like normal, sunglasses. But over here you see this is a camera. This is a camera that is used to record, short stories, and also used to do, take calls. You can also use this to take calls and do Instagram lives and all those kind of fun stuff, right? But if you want to record a video, you will be able to record it in like TikTok format, like portrait, and just for 30 seconds. So that's like a drawback, but overall it has great camera quality. I'll just show it to you now. Let's go. So as you can see, these are my ordinary glasses that I was just wearing right now, and now these are the headliners that I got. These are worth about little less than $400, so after taxes already like 440, 430, something like that. So here is the polarized version of it. They also come in like clear version, so you don't need to always get the polarized version. This is what I got for myself, and you can see these are the camera lenses, right? There's only one, I guess, that works, and the second one is a flashlight, if I'm not wrong. So I'm just going to show you how I start recording with this, right? So if I do a press on that, then it starts recording it. So now you will be start seeing from the glasses, okay? So this is how the quality looks like. If I pick up my glasses here, this is how it looks, right? And overall camera quality is like, it's decent. It's not that much good, but not that bad too. So I'm gonna open my blinds over here just to show you how it looks like from the first person view outside my house. And overall, this is a very messy living room that I got. This is my TV, and this is my setup. It's very clunky, so spare me. And this is my wireless charger and everything. My basic idea of showing you this here is just to show you how the quality looks like. And I can also click a picture using it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hold it like this and just gonna press it, and now you saw this flashlight coming up, and this just clicked a picture, right? That's how it works. And if I do a long press, then it starts recording. I single click it, then it clicks a picture for me. And if I want to hear music while I'm walking through the streets and everything, then I just need to connect it with my phone. And once I start taking calls or playing music on my phone, like using Spotify, whatever, it starts to play that for me. So if you look carefully here, there should be a little tech stuff inside it. So I don't know the details, but anything, what I can say is, like, whenever I'm walking in the street, no one can hear anything. If I'm listening to music, if I'm taking calls, no one can hear that, right? Because it's not that loud, and also it's not that low that I cannot hear, right? So it's also the speakers are right on top here, so it allows me to hear it from my ears, which they're placed very conveniently, so that I will be able to hear it. So if I just show you the outside view, this is how the first person view looks like using these glasses. I hope you can see everything clearly. These are my tires. They should be covered. I don't know why I've just kept it like that, but anyways, you can see pretty much all the cars on the street. And let's see, on the left there's a Mustang over here, and on top there's a beautiful view of the skies. And overall,
shut up, baby, and don't you ever come up here again. I am Aaron Karma. I'm your brother.
And that happens a lot in downtown, so you need to be careful all the time. So if you look at the glasses carefully, you can see there's like a little electrical point over here. So this basically connects over the the charging point over here, so it's kind of sticks on top of it. So this sticks into the glasses so that this allows it to charge it. And overall, if you ask me like how the texture looks like and is it like that heavy, I wouldn't say these are heavy, but these are like little bulkier compared to normal glasses. But overall, I don't feel much when I'm wearing these. So you can see some branding from Meta over here, right? So, and also earlier known as Facebook, right? And one thing to note over here is that these bands on the left and right, like both sides basically, these if you swipe up and down over here, like left and right, basically you can control the volume from here. So if you just if you swipe left over here, then the volume increases, and if you swipe right, then it decreases, right? So that's how the volume controls works over here. And this is pretty good, like, because I don't need to navigate to my phone all the time to control my volume, so that is a good part. Overall, these glasses, if you ask my opinion, I love these to have, just to capture those quick moments when you're outside and you want to capture them from the first person view. And also it gives you the privacy factor, as if anyone starts to record a video or anything, then one of the two sides will start flashing. I guess this is the flashlight corner, so this will start flashing and the other one will start recording, so the other person knows you're recording it, instead of just spying on them and recording it without them knowing, right?